So here let's continue to making this necklace. Yeah, this is use the paper clip to make, and this one before the piece we made by this chain. This is also a chain good for make the charm necklace. So on the model is made by this chain. Okay, so next, today we are on sale the charms for on sale. Yeah, for the charms on sale discount. Then here this one we can hang it with the jump ring. Yeah, hang it with the jump ring here. Open. All of our chain we are a shop that is shows you how to make the necklace by yourself, and you can make it by yourself and get the bulk materials here, or the tutorial that is free tutorial, and all our materials here is non-tarnish stainless steel chains with the stainless steel PVD printed charms. So this one is a necklace that we made. It's a basic necklace. Then here we are going to hang with the charms. Yeah, I am going to use this tree of life here. Yeah, the charms you can see $2, 1.332 every charm with the price here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is a snake. Snake price we forgot 1块5加2块5加2加3加1块3加2。Here now, not included the snake, the price is already 12.3. Even the snake is $1, so price is 13.3. And today, the pack we will sell in a random charms pack is 乘以0.8 OK 3.3乘以0.75 Yeah, it's 25% off. 25% off here. So the charms is like this. And I packed a lot of the packs here. It's all mixed the charms. Mix all the charms here. Every pack with a mixed charms. Yeah, with a mixed charms. Every pack in different. So here. It's like this. So the pack price is 9.9. If you want to get some random pack of the charms, 9.9 you can get it. Because all the pieces with a small quantity, so we are going to mix the charms together and pack it to how to see, this is like a surprise pack. Yeah, you get the charms with the surprise here, this one. So if anyone wants, you can claim it. 9.9 you can get one pack. Every pack different. Price is 9.9 for one pack. Okay, so here we're going to make this the necklace. Okay, here charm. We are going to finish this necklace. So every pack with 7 piece charms. 7 charms mixed with the gold and the silver. And the price is 9.9. Here. We hang with the jump ring. This one. Open. Close. Open. The close. Here, open. And the close. We can attach with beads, with crystal beads here. Where can I find the ring you are using? If you want this one, you can type 1.5 to claim it. Or if you want to order from the shop, you just go to my TikTok page, check my first video. 帮我还手机拿一下。Check my first video on TikTok page. It show you how to find everything in the shop, how to order. Here. This one. Claim in live or order in shop both okay. Search jumping. Hello Florida, happy to see you. And then we can open it here, this one. And let's go into hang the charms, this stone. And we are touched with this small cute shell. And the tree of life. And the cute snake. Okay. So this one hang it with a cute stone charms necklace. Okay, so when we wear it, it can be like this. Okay, this one with the different charms hang on. Jumping tool 1.5. So this one is the charm necklace we just finished. Yeah, it's going to be a cute charm necklace. This is one of the way.